Now the Chinese want to make more in India. Chinese auto major BYD wants to invest $1 billion to set up EV manufacturing and battery factories in India. This just after Tesla's India plans became public. BYD, which is world's third largest automaker, wants to set up a joint venture with an Indian company and make cars in India. Given the opportunities available and size of the Indian market, everybody wants increased access to the Indian market. And so does BYD, the Chinese auto giant. BYD has already made an investment of $200 million in India. Currently, it offers the Atto 3 electric SUV and the E6 EV for corporate fleet sales. In addition to this, BYD also intends to introduce its C luxury electric sedan next this year. If you're wondering why BYD wants to make more in India, well, it is because the Modi government has made it clear to global automakers that if they want increased access to Indian markets, they must offer something to India as well. So Tesla, after asking India to reduce taxes for so long, has decided to set up a factory in India. BYD is also taking the same route. With privately held Hyderabad-based Mega Engineering and Infrastructures, BYD has submitted a proposal to Indian regulators for setting up an electric vehicle joint venture, according to a Reuters report. BYD, along with its local partner, wants to make everything from hatchbacks to luxury models at its EV factories in India. But the government is yet to respond to this proposal. BYD is swiftly expanding globally. Its foray into the Indian market is seen as a strategic move to directly compete with Tesla. Should the investment proposal in India receive approval, it would enable BYD to establish a significant presence in all major automotive markets worldwide, with the exception of the United States. The company, which is known for its Blade batteries and electric vehicles, has outlined its ambitions to gradually increase production to 100,000 EVs per year in India over the course of a few years. Initially, the company is expected to ship vehicle components for assembly within the country as it endeavors to establish a robust supply chain. In the proposal to the government, BYD and its Indian partner have also mentioned that they want to establish charging stations across India, as well as construction of research and development facilities and training centers.
Should I stock up on some global brands?
Diversify investments with global stocks. Invest.
Diversification is interesting. Should I invest in global markets?
You only progress when you ask better questions. Mint. Think ahead, think growth.